And we see dolphins. You have to come right now and see.
We're at the beach and we're doing a picnic and we're going to play at the park. But while we're doing the picnic, we see a few dolphins. I'll turn around and show you. Alright, there's dolphins or... Oh, there's one right there. Peanut butter and jelly. Is it good?
And the race is broken.
Oh yeah. It's broken.
Yeah, and it's on birds.
It broke because of the hurricane.
It's a strawberries, not some blueberries.
You don't like blueberries?
They do. They do.
You like blueberries.
In the water.
It went in the rock.
I want to do this. Got them when I throw it.
Did they eat it? No, seagulls don't like strawberries. They like peanut butter and jelly and Cheetos.
Okay. Okay, well, the Cheetos.
So back in one of my videos, we seen a seagull with one leg, and there he is again.
Yeah.
He has one leg, but he seems to be surviving just fine, right?
I see a big bird.
See a big, oh yeah, the big bird's right next to him. Should we name the one with one leg? What should we name him?
Ariel.
Ariel? Okay. So every time we see the one with one leg, or 1 foot, I should say, he has a leg. So the one with 1 foot, his name is Ariel. Avery's helping me out. She's carrying the lunchbox back to the car. Using the strong muscles. Whoa, look at those muscles.
I want to tell. We can do it.
AJ, is this fun?
Yeah.
It's like a roller coaster.
Yeah.
And put your hands up. All right, Avery, she likes to go very fast. All right, you want me to push you? Is that fast enough? No?
Very fast.
Go faster?
I love it.
That's making me dizzy. Are you dizzy yet?
No. Later.
Alright, I'm gonna stop it and you're gonna get up and walk. Let's see how dizzy you are. Alright, walk to me.
Yellow bunny. Yellow. I'm not even busy.
You're not even dizzy.
Whoa. A new ball. Whoa.
Whoa. Are you rock climbing?
Yeah. My cock. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
You made it! Where are you going now? You going that side? Are you dizzy yet?
Yeah.
You are? You gonna be stopped?
Yeah. Guys. The day, yeah.
Alright, get up and walk.
And
Walk to me. Walk to me. Are you dizzy?
Yeah.
Ready, set, go.